Hey guys, what's up? It's Speed Demons TCG, and I just wanted to tell you I'm not gonna delete the other videos since they'll just be there as like an older part of it, but TCG opening every week. I might actually do one today since I have some cards that I'm working on. I'll just show you the back since the markers kind of bleed through. So here's like a tiny bit of a sneak peek to them. So yeah, I really like these cards. I think they're really good. It is going to be a magic pack. So yeah, let's get right into working. Alright, hey guys, what's up? So this is a different angle. This isn't the angle I'm going to do my videos at, but I might do my speed arts at this angle since it's a bit better. But basically, I'm just doing this card. Then after this, I have one last card to do, and then we have the magic pack opening. So I hope you guys are excited for that. I'm excited for that, and let's get to the speed art. Alright guys, so I just got finished with this card, All Seeing Eye. So there's one more card and then we'll have the pack opening. So let's get right into that. Alright guys, sorry about this lazy looking pack, but I just wanted to get straight to the cards. So here's the front. So I'll just go to the back, take this thing. Alright. Alright, so ready? Let's start with our first card. We have a disappearing card right here. It is an uncommon. Make your opponent get rid of a card, but you have to as well. Black Hole. This is an uncommon. The top card of the opponent's field has to move to the discard pile. Now we have Magic Wand. It's a rare. Make your opponent's next turn have to be an uncommon or a common. Magic Show. Make your opponent shuffle their discard pile, then give you the middle card. Book of Lightning. If you have, this is a common. If you have a machine card on the field, then it has 2 extra health. Invisible Shield. This is a uncommon. Block half of the damage of your opponent's next attack. Oh, by the way, these are all magic types. This is Earthquake. It's a rare. Make your opponent swap 2 cards from their field with 2 cards from their discard pile. All Seeing Eye. This is a ultra rare. Make your opponent show 2 of their cards in their field. Magic Dust. This is a common. Make your opponent flip a coin. and every time it lands on red, the next attack you do, is times 10. Sorry, I wrote that really small on there. And then one of my personal favorites, Lightning Wizard. Do 2 damage to other classes than water. If you attack water, then it does 4 damage, and this is an uncommon. So those were the 10 cards for today. I hope you all enjoyed them. I'm just gonna place them out on this little mat here. Not gonna have enough room, but I hope you all enjoyed those cards, and cue the outro.